Want to know how you can create a Bandlab account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can simply create a Bandlab account. So first what you have to do is open your Bandlab app, then click on the Google Apps option that you see. Simply click on that and select one of your Gmails that you want to continue with. After that, simply click on Agree and Share, and then write your date of birth, month and year. Simply click on Next and write your username. Click on Next after writing your username. Then select one of the option that what you are. You are a guitarist, drummer, or whatever you like. And then select your favorite genres. Click on Next. Skip this process. And there you go, your Bandlab account is ready to use. Now you can simply post your music or your thoughts. That's it. This is how easy it is to create a Bandlab account. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.